Welcome to Minibar Systems. Our worldwide company has been in the market for over 40 years, installing more than 1 million minibars that we R&D ourselves, we design, we produce ourselves, and are very happily to be able to supply them internationally to the most exquisite hotels and hotel chains. Our product range goes from non-automated to fully automated minibars, and as well we have a special hotel designed safe box available for our guests. Our product range goes from the Primo line, which is the basic series, a full high quality minibar with fuzzy logic. Every standard is satisfied that any world relevant minibar would satisfy. Then we have the Primo Plus series. The Primo Plus series comes with a more styled up design and additional features on how the minibar is controlled and governed. For instance, additional features like door opening, light indicators, or actions taken to further optimize the working performance of a minibar. And then of course our third generation of fully automated minibars that is unique by its use of infrared sensors, which allow you sensing products without weight, without any constraints on geometry, and gives you a very long-lasting, very high reliable sensing technology. Last, the SmartBox series that come in 3 different sizes to address every single need of the hotels for a fully auditable, absolutely great safe. What we would like to do now is to take some time, walk you through how the SmartCube fully automated works and stress out the benefits the technology offers you. This is the Primo series that comes in 30 and 40 liters with a foam door, a glass door. Very interesting of this model is that we always have see-through racks on the door to be able to attract the people to consume from the minibars. Standard Primo model comes with light with a lock that you can activate and deactivate. The mid-range series is the Primo Plus that you see comes with a more classy design, has also the option with aluminium glass doors, and comes additional to 30 and 40 also in a 20-liter presentation. This is the fully automated SmartCube line. It allows you to upgrade a non-automated classic SmartCube model into a semi-automated, in which you will include an electronic lock that you can open and close from the reception. You can further upgrade that same model to become fully automated by including also the infrared sensors. The model is presented in different options in colors silver and black, with a foam door, with a fully glass door, or a partial glass door, as well as a standalone model that offers you the possibility to have a refrigerated and a non-refrigerated portion, the non-refrigerated having snacks. What you can also do is combine the fully automated series with smart trays, peripheral selling points that you have throughout the room to increase the revenue. If you use a glass door, just by the visual effect, your guests are going to be consuming 10% more out of the minibar. If you additionally combine that with a smart tray, that increase will be added up by other 15%. So adding up salty, very attractive products, and then visually attractive and close to the customer products, you will be able to run your minibar operation at that optimum. The different models of the SmartCubes are offered in 40 liters and 60 liters with 2 different cooling technologies, which would be absorption, absolute silent, long lasting, no maintenance, or then compressor technology. That compressor has a faster cool down for you in case that your hotel profile requires so.
Okay, hello. I will now try to explain you how the SmartCube automatic is working, and especially how the sensors are working inside our minibar. I will show you. Yeah, can you open it, Nico? As you can see, all the inside of this gold cube is completely dark, and that's the effect that all the sensors are infrared. So we use this technology inside. Now what I want to show you is how one sensor is reacting when we take a product and when we put it back immediately after. Can you choose one product? Take it and put it back right now. Thanks a lot. Now we can just close the minibar, and I will show you exactly on the system what the system is telling us. As you can see right at the moment, all my sensors are on the status ready to sell. But as you could see just before, we just took a product here and the status changed from ready to sell to replaced, which means that this product won't be charged, but we have the information that something has been taken out and put it back to place. So we have to check if this product is still there or not. I will now show you when you take a product and you leave it, which means that you will consume it, but then you put it back on place, and we take another product and we leave the product outside. So we can now close the door, and I will show you on the system these two different effects. As you can see, the product that is still outside and that we consume changed from the status ready to sell to sold, which means that this product is already on the billed guest. Another product, we took a product and we put it back after the time went out, which means that this product is still sold, but we have another information that is telling you that the sensor is still occupied, sold but still occupied. So we have these informations, and the minibar attendant is now able to go and to control the room and check all these products. Now what I will explain now to you is how do a minibar attendant do the refill every morning. And for that, we just have to go to the refill menu and schedule a refill. And that's exactly what they have to do, what they will do every single morning. They will go to the server, to the computer, and they will schedule a refill. And at this stage, the system will tell the minibar attendant how many products do they need to take on the trolley, which means that instead of taking every day and fill every day the whole trolley with a quantity of products, the system will tell them if you need 10 cokes, just take 10 cokes, etc., etc. So then you can close this screen and synchronize your PDA. So they don't need anymore any paper, any whatever they need. Everything is on the PDA. So we can collect all the informations for the computer to the PDA. Sync completed, which means that the minibar attendant is ready to go to the floor and ready to visit the rooms. Just take the PDA. Every single minibar attendant have a password and a username. So we just select our username, put the password. So then you have to go to the schedule refill, and on this screen will appear all the rooms where you have to go. Just select your rooms and communicate with the bar through the Bluetooth technology. At this stage, you will have the real picture of what is the status of your bar. And as you can see here, there's a sensor that is in pink, which is not present. So what you have to do is also check if everything is okay in your minibar. And to refill your minibar, just go to your minibar and just put them back in place. So just confirm that you have finished the refill of your bar. Go back, and at the end of the day, when you finished all the refill, go again to your computer. So when you're finished, take your PDA back, go to your computer and synchronize your PDA again, so that all the informations can come across the server. Synchronize is completed. You can then confirm your refill. Now your work is finished for the day. And if we go back to the status of the bar, you can see that all the sensors are back to the status ready to sell, which means that they are still waiting for another customers to take the product. So as you can see, it's you don't have to waste time about writing something on the papers, etc. You just need to synchronize. You get all the information, you got all the products that you have to carry, you get all the rooms that you have to visit, so you don't need to go to each single rooms. Just go to the rooms that the system is telling you to go. Another tools, and especially a useful tool for the front desk, some hotels does not want to get access, to leave access to customers. So from the front desk, you can directly decide to lock or unlock the bar by a simple press with this button. If you don't want to get access, just press the button security lock and the bar is now closed. If you want to give access again, just press the security unlock button and your bar is again ready to be open. You can also run another report like the maintenance report. And the maintenance report will give you every technical information concerning all the minibars that are installed in your hotel, because the system is sending a signal to every bars, so we can then have an information regarding the communication. Do we have a communication trouble? Do we have a lock problem? Do we have a door that have been left open? So every single information like this you can have in this kind of report. You can also, by using the management tools, you can also run some reports which will allow you to analyze all the work of the refillers. So you can track the refill activity of your minibar attendants. You can also have a daily analysis. The daily analysis is a financial tool which will allow you to see what have been sold for one day. And you have exactly the same figures, but on a monthly basis, which is the profit and loss. And the profit and loss is also a financial tool, but we will take every parameters like the loss allowances, the cost of goods, the electricity cost, the labor cost, and that will give you exactly the figures, the financial figures, to see how many money you have learned. The configuration allows you to create some menu. Like you can see here, every menu will be created with, in this case. Here you can see that these products, we have created a menu on these products, which means that one sensor is belonging to one product. So another last point, some hotels does not want to leave access to the guest. So the system allows you directly from the front desk to lock or unlock a bar directly from the reception. Example, if you don't want to give access to this bar, you just have to take the room and only press the security lock button, and as you can see now, the bar is now closed without moving. If you want to give access again, just press the unlock button. Always from the reception, the bar is still open.